Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to set a saving goal in Bright. Setting a saving goal in Bright is a great way to stay motivated and to make steady progress towards your financial dreams. Here's how to do it. First, open the Bright app and log into your accounts. From the main dashboard, tap on the Goals tab. This will take you to the Savings Goals section. Tap Create Goal or the plus icon to start a new savings plan. Choose your goal type, whether it's for an emergency fund, a vacation, a new gadget, or something custom. Give your goal a name to make it personal. Next, enter the total amount that you want to save and set a target date for when you'd like to reach it. Bright will automatically calculate exactly how much you need to save weekly or monthly to meet your deadline. You can adjust the frequency and contribution amounts as needed. If you have a linked bank account, you can enable auto transfers to Bright so that they move money towards your goal on a schedule that you choose. Once everything looks good, tap Save Goal. You will now see your progress on the Goals dashboard with visual trackers showing exactly how close you are to completion. Regular updates and reminders will help to keep you on track. So if this helped you plan better savings, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Bright tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.